This is a 92 Windmere Box Fan Model 223. As you can see, it's really just a rebranded Lakewood. I mean, even the motor says Lakewood. Yeah. Hold on, let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah. It's actually a decent fan. It's got a thin cabinet, almost the same size as the modern box fans, but they still managed to get in a McMillan motor, though it is a bit skinny. But it's better than the cheap fan motors of today. It's got holes for its stands, and the frame is actually pretty durable. Honestly, this is where the so-called evolution of the box fan should have stopped, because this is lightweight enough. I think that was the original intention, is to make these fans more lightweight, but then companies became greedy and decided to try to save more money. Thus, they made cheaper motors, flimsier blades, and of course the flimsy cabinets, which I find sad. As I've mentioned on my main channel, the only real problem with this fan is that there's rust inside the cabinet. I don't know what the original owner did with it, but still, it works. I really wish I knew how to take these apart properly, so I could repaint it, but oh well. Anyway, let's get it started on high. Medium. And low. Alright, let's get a startup sound. Let's wait for it to slow down. Yeah, some of the paint did chip off, but if it's lasted this long, then I don't think I'll have any more problems. Anyway. Yeah. So much better than the Aerospeed. No doubt about it. So yeah, that's it for this video.